first decide if you want to be in the 12-hour clock or the 24-hour clock. Right now we're in the 12-hour clock, and it's 11:37 p.m. You see the small P up there. Switch to the 24-hour clock by pushing the D button. That makes it 23:37, and notice that the P is gone. I like the 12-hour clock, so we're going to stay in that mode and press the D button again. Now you're ready to begin to set the time functions. You have to be in the timekeeping screen. The other screens are accessed by pushing the C button. It'll take you through the tide screen and the stopwatch screens, the timer screen, the alarm screen, and the world time screen. We're going to stick in the basic timekeeping screen. You press the A button until the seconds flash, and then you're ready to begin to adjust. Then you can adjust the illumination time. This is the illumination time. It's on 3 seconds now. You can change it to 5 seconds by pushing the B button. So when you press the G button, the screen illuminates for 5 seconds. I'm going to keep it on the small one because we want to just go 3 seconds to save battery time. Now we're ready to begin to set the time functions. So you press this C button, and it'll take you to the daylight savings time screen. Now we have daylight savings time off, and it's supposed to be off, but if you wanted to change it, you just press the D button. There you go. So we're going to keep daylight savings time off. Press the C button again, and this takes us to our time zone. We are in the Seattle time zone, so we're going to, which is -8. So we're going to take this up to -8. You can find your time zone in the chart on the back of this video. So there we have the 8-hour time zone. Press the C button, it takes you to the next function. This is for the hours. Notice here that we're using the time site, and it's 11:57. So we're going to press this up to 11. Now this is 9 a.m. because there's no P there, so we're going to have to go ahead and keep pressing this. Now we can move up to 11. There we go, and press the C button to select that. Now it's the minutes, and the minutes are now 58. So I'm going to press, this is the back button and this is the forward button. I'm going to press the D button and hold it until we get to close to 58, and then I'll just press it twice, and there we are, we're at 58. So you press the C button to accept that, and then the year flashes. The current year is 2022, so we're going to press the down button to go to 2022. That's the D button, and that's what we want. So press the C button to accept that. Now the month flashes. Our month is February, so we're going to back off by pressing the back button here. 1, 2, that takes us to February. Press the C button to accept that. Now it takes us to the day. The day is Sunday the 27th, so we're going to then press and hold this forward button until we get close to 27. There we are. If we overshot it, we can just press the back button to get to 27. So there we are. Press it again. Now notice that your seconds flash. We're going to use the time is site to give us the exact seconds. We're going to wait till the seconds zero out, and then we're going to press the D button to give us the exact time for our watch. 57, 58, 59, 0. So there we are. We have the perfect time. We're setting it at 12, and it's 12 a.m. So we're good there. So we press the C button again, and that takes us back to the daylight savings time. So we've done that already. Now press the A button once, and you'll notice that our longitude is 156 on the watch. Our actual longitude in Seattle is 122, so we're going to back this off to 122. And there we have it. So we're all set. Now we're going to now what you need to do is press the A button once, and then it brings you back to the timekeeping screen, and we're all set. Today is Monday. It's 12:01. It's February 28th, and we have phases of the moon, and we have the tide, and then these stopwatch screens here and here. So we're done. That's how you do it. I hope this is helpful. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and when you do, press the bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll get my future videos. Thanks for watching.